if we have a crypto winter, or so the a situation where crypto really has a tough time, let's say Doge is at, I think, 50 cents right now. What does Dogecoin go to if, let's say, Bitcoin falls to 10,000, 20,000 range? What's your expectation?
Well, traditionally, and this is still going to be the case, all cryptos have followed in Bitcoin's footsteps. So if Bitcoin falls 10%, the others fall 20 to 30%. They fall much more than Bitcoin traditionally does. So everybody follows Bitcoin. So yeah, everybody will suffer a lot more. But
wow. Yeah. Ethereum, I'm seeing more and more folks talk about, somebody texted me this week about how they feel Ethereum is going to take over Bitcoin. Would you say it's like a 50-50 right now, or would you say it's not realistic at all anytime soon?
I think it's too soon to say right now. Yeah, the flippening, it's too soon to say. Give it like a little bit longer. Yeah, I'm not sure. There's a chance. There's a chance. I don't know what the odds are yet. But speaking of Dogecoin, did you guys see the managing director of Goldman Sachs quit his job over the Dogecoin thing? He became
72x.
What happened?
So the managing director of Goldman Sachs quit because he became a multimillionaire with Dogecoin.
How much money did he make? Is he making money at Goldman Sachs?
We don't know. I reached out to him on LinkedIn. I was like, hey, dude, can you come on my video?
He's the guy who sold at 73.
Probably.
It could have been him, and he had like 30 million. But how much do you think was sold to impact the price that much on Robinhood?
For a guy that's like a managing director to have quit his job like that? Gosh.
No. I meant on Robinhood. We were watching SNL. The price just honestly, this big red candlestick all the way down, dropped like 10 cents in a matter of a minute. How big do you think that order would be to cause the price to drop that much?
Well, what was the market cap when it was at 75 cents?
What was that? 140 billion?
Okay, so 10% of that? What is that? 1.4? Wait, 10%?
140 million?
Yeah.
You think that's how much it would take to tank the price that much?
No, I'm guessing lower. It's not a 1-to-1, right?
Right, because so many different platforms have it. Robinhood's probably one of the larger ones.
I don't think it's 1-to-1. I don't know the exact numbers on that, but it
could have been like 90 million bucks, 80 million, something significant like that.
Do you think that was retail driven, or do you think that was, like the big money?
I think it's big money. I think, yeah. I would not be surprised if there was some huge money behind some of this. Just knowing that, like, hey, the retail traders, they're hyping this up. Let's get in. Let's help drive the price up and then crash it. I wouldn't be surprised, especially now that we know a lot of Bitcoin back in 2017 was really open to manipulation. So I wouldn't be surprised with Dogecoin. There's traders watching everything that's going on with Reddit and TikTok. You're watching. And I was
just gonna say, if the Goldman Sachs managing director is in on this, like, can you imagine how many of these large institutional hedge fund managers with billions of dollars are just playing with this stuff privately for fun? Like, they don't want to announce it to anybody. But I guarantee you, I mean, it's a small industry. Everybody knows everyone. And so they're just like calling each other like, hey, dude, I bought 10 million of Doge. I'm going to dump right before Elon comes on. And I could totally see that.
Yeah. 100%.